Hi guys, welcome to a new video. You're watching Just Wish. Today we are leaving Masinagudi. In this episode, you're going to watch us leave Masinagudi and go to, yes, you must have read it in the title. I also don't know right now where we are going, so you would have heard it. This caravan has my little sister there. Say hello.
Hi.
And I've got my naughty boy there inside somewhere. Where is he?
Hi.
Hi, there's one hello, and that's my wife there. Let's get the trip started. So this bridge that you see here that we crossed, now this bridge is supposed to have some kind of wildlife activity after sundown. Right ahead is the turn to Moya River, which we went in the last video you would have seen. And now before we go that side towards Ooty and Coonoor, we want to check out the bakery, have some breakfast and then go. It's a little too late for breakfast, but still last night, while coming back from the elephant feeding camp, we had some nice bakery items from the Iyengar bakery. So I want to sink my teeth into it again. So let's do that. Nice little hamlet, nice little town here. Oh, I would love to settle down in this place. Like, this is so peaceful. But the resort people tell me that it's not that easy a life here as well. So every place has got its own pros and cons, but extremely romantic place. Must visit.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We are going to my sister's Coimbatore.
So cute.
My aunt's. She's your aunt.
This here is Iyengar bakery here in Masinagudi town, right at the square. And the chicken bun is really good, so I tried it. I want to try it again. Let's give it a try. The typical Iyengar bakery. The cow here wants to eat chicken bun. No, no. I outsmart him. Now he's facing that side. I can't give him chicken, no. Okay, so our Iyengar bakery snack is done. Now we're going to leave Masinagudi town. So Ooty right ahead has the famous 36 hairpin turns to climb onto it. So that is something we're looking forward to. Let's go ahead and see how the ride is going to be. The drive, see, biker ride bol hi deta hai invariably. Viru, we won't get any more jungles, no?
No. End of jump.
End of jungle. Start of civilization. I don't like
We are
it.
going to the jungle.
Start of the. We are going to climb a hill.
Yeah.
Now we'll
Hill station, ah.
go to the hill station.
Oh, okay.
We're going to climb the.
So if you guys haven't seen the video, we saw sambar deer on the way to Moya River. I'll leave the link of the video somewhere in the I button. Please go and check that out. Support us. We got small child saying okay guys from behind. So please support channel ma. Support by subscribe, share.
You get this accent, no? South Indian natural.
Ah, of course, yeah. So when I go to Indore also, I become, oh, bihao, that accent comes. So it's like when in Rome, do it like the Romans at least attempt to do. Whoa, we're climbing like serious hairpin turns now. 1,250 meters above sea level. So as you can see, beautiful mountains on both sides, the beautiful lush greenery and the blue mountains. We are approaching the ascent of Ooty right now. So it's going to be quite a ride from here. You will eventually get to see how many of us vomit. Mountains are a pleasure if you drive with leisure. So no hurrying, no hurry burrying. Wow, look at the view. Amazing. कौन है बेटा?
ठीक सीधा ही जीवो
हव 36 थर हव कान टिके पॉप करिवो
जेमती एरोप्लेन रे
Climate has also changed and the view are absolutely still exotica. So nice.
Here's a popping.
Ears are popping, no? Yeah, ears are also popping. We have completed the 36 hairpin turns, or at least I believe we have. If there's one or two left, I'm not sure. But the roads have given way to massive trees. And what trees are these?
Fine.
These are pine trees. Is it?
Yeah.
Wow. Welcome to the Queen of Hills, Ooty. Happy to be back in Ooty after a very long time. The Queen of Hills, which is Ooty, is extremely popular and thereby extremely crowded. And we're a little jungle people, so we don't like crowded places. So we're trying to see if we can find a place to eat, and then from there
I'll tell you where we went.
we will head on. Yes, please. Shinkos, yes, beautiful, just check his ass, oh my gosh. For those of you who are not aware, I'm shooting with 4 cameras, one that GoPro, they're stuck to the, oh yeah, go ahead. Stuck to the car. There's one DSLR, one 360, one pocket camera, and one drone. That's 5 cameras. Thank you.
Where we are going?
Huh? Okay.
Okay, come.
Steps here.
Okay, my friends, we are here in Ooty finally. Whew, what a beautiful place. There's a nice chill in the air. Look at the sky, it's so pretty.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have.
Can you tell me?
Sure. So this is a bee museum converted into a restaurant. It's called The Place to Be. My sister says, please trust me and come here. We should give it a try. Let's go check it out. Who? Wrong. Sorry. That was entry to the kitchen. Restaurant. So that place was closed. And my wife and kid and sister, they decided to walk 1 kilometer uphill. Not my cup of tea. Walking uphill 1 kilometer and then downhill 1 kilometer. What's wrong with this? Focus. People, Ooty tourist.
Don't be a crybaby.
Hey, Ooty tourist.
Everybody just photo. You are acting a crybaby.
Just because I said that I don't want to walk 850 meters uphill, I become a crybaby. 336 hairpin turns. These people were crying. They were not crybabies, is it? Who was crying on the hairpin turns? Oi! Hey! Andhra, when you were in Andhra, people address you like this. Hey! If I was Gaurav Taneja, the vlog would go like this. देखो लोगों के एयरपोर्ट लुक होते हैं इसके देखो नाइट ड्रेस पजामा के ऊपर डेनिम जैकेट पहन के हाथ How's it? Going good? Going good. Keep walking.
Hey guys, I'm pushing backwards.
You're very tired of climbing up, huh? Come.
Taste, you'll know. It is not.
Let's give it a try. Alright, so the place that we went to have burger and all, that you saw my camera just died on me there. Okay, not good. We are actually not staying in Ooty because it's very touristy. We will pick up some chocolates from modern stores. From there, we will see what we can do, okay? So like I was saying, the lunch wasn't that great, but what is great is this place in Ooty. It's called Modern Stores. One of our personal favorites. The first time we came here, one of our friends recommended this place. And this is what I learned. So Modern Stores chocolates are now Moddies. Yeah! So they are now a bakery confectionery chocolate store. Let's give it a try. Check this place out as well. My favorite here is the white chocolate, and I totally love this white chocolate, if you can see.
Do you have anything with wafers? Do you have anything with wafers?
Wow. Anna, you used to have the chocolates in the modern store, no? When did this happen? Oh, just 6 months ago. Oh, okay. We'll take white chocolate for sure. So yeah, I can't emphasize enough. If you're coming to Ooty, modern stores is a must. So the bakery confectionery is called Modi. I'm enjoying my cup of tea here. We packed some chocolates, and I think it's open also. Yeah. So pack some chocolates, and the baby is eating some donuts.
Donut. I'm enjoying my donut.
Very good. Chalo. Alright, so we are now in the cant of Wellington. One of our old friends used to be living here. An old friend from school. And wow, what a beautiful place. So this also technically is the first hill station of our little baby boy. And he liked it because I gave him a lollipop in the modern stores. And so now we are on our way to Coonoor, and from there we will head to Coimbatore. Whew, it is cold. Wow. Look at people driving recklessly, bro. Yeah. So we came down all the way from Ooty to Wellington to Coonoor, and now down these it's almost sundown. There's hardly any light, and it's gotten cold. It's gotten really cold. This is a wildlife corridor. We found one small shop where we just stopped to wear some warm clothes. Baby boy inside is fast asleep. Ride's going smooth. So far so good. But the ghats here, if you're climbing down Ooty and going all the way down Coonoor and down, the ghats are full of landslides, full of dangerous things. It's quite risky, so drive safe if you're doing that, and a lot of reckless drivers. So just check this view out. I'm gonna just show you guys how it looks. Monkeys around, and this is how it is. So we won't waste much time. All in all, rumba experience. Oh, boss, that was close. Let's cut the vlog and focus on the driving.